So this is Erin Elizabeth Ann Strotman, a 26-year-old neonatal intensive care unit, NICU, nurse at Henrico Doctors Hospital in Virginia, who was arrested on January 2nd, 2025, following a months-long investigation into multiple incidents involving injuries to infants under her care. Strotman began working at the hospital in 2021 and was responsible for caring for some of the hospital's most vulnerable patients, newborns in critical condition. Between 2022 and 2024, several infants under Strotman's care were reported to have suffered unexplained injuries, including fractures that were highly unusual for infants who were receiving proper medical supervision in the NICU. Hospital staff and administrators noticed that a disproportionate number of injuries occurred while the affected infants were under Strotman's direct care. 2024, an internal review was launched to identify the cause of the injuries. This included examining medical records, conducting staff interviews, and reviewing surveillance footage. The investigation revealed disturbing findings. Medical experts determined that the infant's injuries were unlikely to have occurred naturally or accidentally. Surveillance footage reportedly supported claims that the injuries were inflicted while Strotman was present, though the specific actions captured have not yet been publicly disclosed. On January 2nd, 2025, Erin Elizabeth Ann Strotman was arrested and charged with felony child neglect and felony malicious wounding. Strotman's first court appearance occurred shortly after her arrest, and her next scheduled court date is on March 24th, 2025. The legal process is ongoing, and both the prosecution and defense are expected to present additional evidence and testimonies during the proceedings. Erin Elizabeth Ann Strotman remains presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Strotman and her legal team have not yet made public statements regarding her defense. The case has drawn significant attention from the public and medical professionals. Many have expressed shock and outrage over the allegations, while others urge patience and fairness as the legal process unfolds. Nurses and doctors emphasize the importance of strict oversight in neonatal care to prevent potential abuse. The case has sparked discussions about improving child protection protocols in medical settings, particularly in intensive care units. One family has publicly shared their experience regarding the injuries sustained by their child in the NICU at Henrico Doctors Hospital. In December, parents Dominique and Tori Hakey revealed that their son Noah was injured at the hands of a hospital employee. They had their twin boys, Noah and Micah, in August 2023. Micah was born with life-threatening problems, but Noah was healthy and strong. However, they were left in shock when Noah suddenly had a fractured leg despite having nothing but clean bills of health. About a week after the twins were born, a nurse suddenly noticed that Noah couldn't move his left leg.
They said it was the tibia that was fractured, and so that little piece there is what the fracture was.
She ordered an X-ray, which found that Noah's tibia had been fractured. The news devastated the father and left him too scared to hold his own son, as he felt he could have accidentally hurt the baby. Once he spoke to his mother, who was a nurse with decades of experience, his fears only heightened. She said, "That is not right. I've worked in multiple NICUs, and there has never ever been a fracture," he said. Dominique's mother called Child Protective Services, and an investigation was launched. As social services and local police probed the mysterious injury and the months passed, more babies turned up with broken bones. By September 2024, the parents finally got an answer. A hospital employee had hurt their beloved baby boy. However, the staffer's identity remained a mystery. It was intentional. It was child abuse, he said. "As a father of my son, I vow to protect them and do everything, and I am helpless." Noah and Micah fully recovered, and the parents tried to move on with their lives. But news that the hospital's NICU would close due to more attacks ripped open fresh wounds. It was also said that she only targeted Black infants, but this is only based on speculations and haven't been proven yet.
That's one of my hugest regrets, reaching out sooner and saying something, because, it could have prevented somebody else's child from getting hurt. Ready? Boo!
Here's her mugshot. This happened in Virginia, so shout out to Virginia.